Hi, Blue Ants here. Yeah, today we're going to celebrate a Pilowswine. Yeah, this is another new Tier 3 raid boss. Yeah, it's a new one. In the same time as the legendary raids of Rayquaza. Yeah, this is my first monster in the lineup. It's Gyarados with Waterfall and Hydro Pump. Yeah, it has really high attack stat, but not a very good defense. Yeah, that's the first Hydro Pump. Oh my god, that's Avalanche is surely hurt. It's really hurt. Oh no, the Gyarados can only shoot one Hydro Pump. The next one is the all-time favorite, Vaporeon. Yeah. Of course, it has Water Gun and Hydro Pump. It has managed to release Hydro Pump twice, and I guess that's the pump. It's the second one or the third one. Yeah, Pilowswine is a ice monster with pretty decent stat, so I guess it's gonna be a really good addition in your team to fight Rayquaza. Goodbye. Yeah, that's another Hydro Pump from the Vaporeon. And as I said before, as I tell you before, Avalanche of that Pilowswine is really hurt. Yeah, I think with my condition right now, I can only manage to shot 2 more Hydro Pump. It's 67 seconds and it's yellow and it almost becomes red. Yeah, that's another Hydro Pump, and yeah, 58 seconds and I managed to reduce the gauge of the Pilowswine into red. One more Hydro Pump. Yeah, that's the last one, I guess. Yeah, painted. Another one. It's still Vaporeon deals super effective damage with its Hydro Pump and Water Gun. First Hydro Pump. Yeah. I think one more Hydro Pump will be enough to end this fight. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the fight's over. Yeah, it's Tier 3, so as I said many times, what about the reward? 3 golden rares, 2 revives, 16 super potions, 2 rare candy, 500 starters, and I got no TMs. 4,000 XP and 12 balls. I don't think catching Pilowswine will be really difficult, so the real fun is when you fight against it. Yeah, that's the first one. The first throw, and we got it. What about the stat? It's Wander, yeah. Defense, yeah. Wander with best attribute is defense. Yeah, alright. I'll spin the disc here. My bag is full. Alright. Yeah, that is my video of celebrating Tier 3 Pilowswine, the new raid boss. This is Blue Ants. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.